Hey guys, welcome back to the house. And today we are filming a video on minimalist shopping habits, or more specifically, my shopping habits as a minimalist. So if you guys are interested in a couple more shopping habits that I personally use, please continue to watch. So the first habit that I'm going to talk about is refreshing your closet or renewing your clothing, whether that's switching out your summer for your fall and your fall for your winter and your winter for your spring. That's probably not in the right order, but it's fine. Basically making sure that whatever you have in your closet are already things that you like, you decluttered. I have a bunch of videos on decluttering and closet turnovers and other stuff like that. I'll probably link them down below if I remember, that you guys can go check out to learn more about that habit. What the big idea is basically making sure that you have a core structure of good quality items that you love and you wear all the time, or you've worn it within the last year, and you know that these are pieces that you love and are special to you. That way, when you do go out to shop, you have a good foreground. Gotta start with the basics. Another thing you can do, which I just started doing, well, I tried it a couple of times and it was a complete fail because the apps that I were using were just way too difficult to work with and manage, and I wasn't capable of putting all that effort into one activity. But it is uploading your clothing into an app. And I know that sounds daunting. You're like, sis, I've got a lot of clothes. Ain't nobody got time to be going through every single thing in my closet and taking pictures of it. But that's okay. You can use old pictures. I'm going to show you guys the app. You're going to understand what I'm talking about. But you can use old pictures of old outfits and just crop out the jeans or the t-shirt and add that to the app. Or you can do your closet, or you can do your shopping, and then when you get your new clothes, add those to the app. So this app is called Lookscope, and I found it on a random whim. I was bored, and I typed closet into the app store, and this is what came up. It's one of those apps where it makes it easier for you to pick an outfit and choose what you want to wear from day to day. So this is, I don't know if you guys can see that. You probably can't. I'll do an up close after, but this is what it looks like. Basically, I have all of my clothing items uploaded in. I mean, all of them. Everything is up. Well, not all of them. I'm lying to you. I have all of my spring and summer clothing items uploaded into this app. The reason my fall and winter items aren't uploaded yet is because those are in storage, and I just discovered this app this season. So when fall and winter are closer, I'll just take pictures of those items and upload them onto the app. So as you guys can see on the screen while I look at it on my phone, it's just all of the clothing items that I own in my closet. I've added all my bags. I've added shoes that I wear the most frequently, some sunglasses, earrings, and then also what I like the most about this app is you can add things that are on your wish list. So like, you know how I always tell you guys to make a list and know what you want before you go to the store? I love this app because now not only is it just a list, or like, oh, I need black pants. It's like, I need this kind of black pants, this kind of pattern, this kind of shape. This is exactly what I'm looking for. And if I go to the store and it doesn't look like this photo, I don't want it, okay? Because you can't just go to the store and pick anything up just because you said black leggings. You're gonna pick up every black legging you see. But if you're looking for a specific black legging from a specific brand with a specific design, specific material, just everything specific, I guarantee you will love that item because it's catered to you and what you like and what you're looking for. So on the app, you can choose your outfit. So like, let's say you're lazy like me and you like to lay in bed and pick your outfit for the day. There's a specific section where you can scan through all of the clothing items you have uploaded, pin it, and then save it to your outfits that you can wear whenever you're ready to wear them. And think about how much stress or less stress that's going to be, especially when you have an event. You're going to be like, what am I going to wear? This app shows you pieces that you might not wear all the time that you still love, that you can remember because you see it. And another thing, which isn't really shopping, it's more of like just adding clothes to your closet, is to go to your relatives and your friends who are also cleaning out their closet, because I have a lot of people in my life who like to revamp their style. So check out their closets, okay? Because another man's trash, honey. So definitely go to your friends' houses, because I'm pretty sure they have stuff they don't want that you're probably obsessed with, or go to your relative's house and find some good things in there. Another shopping habit that I like to use is when it comes to shoes and accessories, or bags and shoes. I like to have bags and shoes in the color scheme that I'm wearing for that season. So if I'm only wearing beige and white and black, I make sure I have one good pair of black sneakers, one good pair of white sneakers, one good pair of beige sneakers. And then I'll do that with my bag. So I'll have one good beige bag, another white bag, and another black bag. And I'll just keep wearing those bags over and over again instead of buying multiple black bags or like multiple beige bags. Just having those staples to work off of. And also with shoes, I like to buy timeless shoes because I'm somebody who like shoes shopping frustrates me more than anything else. I don't know why, but I think there's just something about shoes that frustrates me. When I shop, I like to find shoes that are timeless, classic. I know they're not going out of style anytime soon. I can wear them anywhere. And also they have a little bit of Britney in it. So I like strappy shoes. So I'm just going to mention a couple more habits so I don't ramble off on a tangent in this video. The last habit I'm going to mention, which is probably mentioned a lot on this channel, is buying things that are going to last. If you're lazy like me and you don't really like to shop, you just kind of want to wake up and have something nice to wear, definitely stick to high quality items. And yes, you're going to have to spend a little extra coin on the items, but just think about cost per wear and how often you're going to be wearing this every single day over and over and over again. That's kind of what I was thinking of when I bought the loafers that I'm talking to. You know, let me just show you the shoes. They look like this, and I already know I'm going to be wearing the crap ton out of these, especially when fall rolls around. Those are them. So even though it might seem like something obvious that you would do, sometimes it is easy to get. And not just because something is expensive means that it's high quality. Sometimes it's just overpriced. It's all about like the material, what it looks like on the model, especially if you're shopping online, how it drapes on her, what kind of poses are they doing? Like, is there a pose where she's actually standing still and you can see how it looks, or are they doing like some weird funky pose because the clothing item actually doesn't look all that great? Yeah, so looking at the material, reading reviews, seeing how other people are dealing with it. See how other people like the item. If you're in store, feeling how it feels in your hand. That is all I have for this. Another one. I feel like this is a playlist, like minimalist shopping stuff. But if you, what am I saying? I'm off track now. So if you guys like this video, definitely check out the other videos I have on minimalism and shopping. And also do not forget to leave me a comment down below telling me your favorite store to shop at. And don't forget to have a great day.